Hey everyone, it's Doc from Ronnie's V Twin Cycles here, audio by Doc. We finally wrapped up that 2016 CVO Street Glide. Brand new head unit, all Cicada amp and speakers, and here she is with a walkaway with it running. Went back about 100 feet or so and still could hear it.
Look at me now, look at me now, look at me, look at me, look at me now. No one can bother me, not in the slightest. I'm yelling victory, throwing your towel. I'm taking my shot and doing it well. I'm saving myself, no need for the bell. I'm giving it everything, all that I got. I'm conquering battles that rage in my thoughts. So I take one step at a time, fall into formation as I see the motivation in the eyes of my reflection. You may reap what you sow, but I'm gonna reap what I write. I put in the work and I do it a lot. Cause you gonna see me when I'm at the top, ready or not. Said I gotta go. Did it for her, my two sisters and bro. Gave up my freedom in order to grow. Sacrifice more than you ever would know. Defending the nation for foreign invasion. Got in information for the next generation. Running my duty station with that motivation. We ready for war. Ready for war. Regiment full of pride. Step by step marching, we in the